Hello traders, welcome back to our channel. This is FX Ninja. In this video I want to show you how to gain sniper entry in the market. You will have seen some traders making sniper entry and doing good with at their analysis, and you keep wondering why or how they are doing it. So I'm about to show you that right now in this video, so make sure you watch to the end. If this is your first time of coming by this channel, do well to click on the subscription button and click on the notification button as well, so that you get notified whenever we do a video like this. So basically I'm going to show you some things that you need to first consider before you can take a sniper entry, or before you can start your entry from where the market wants to trend from. The first thing you need to do is to identify the break of structure. The second thing is identify the order block. Then you need to take note of inducement, and you need to have an entry, then your target. So I'm going to quickly identify those things for us right now. So let's start with the break of structure. Now basically when we talk about break of structure, we are going to be identifying the major break of structure. So let's look at B500. We have a lot of structure being broken here. So if you look here, you will see that the structure was being broken here. Okay, so we have another structure break here. Okay, we have another structure break over here. So, and a lot like that. We have another one over here. Okay, so we can see them. At least we have 1, 2, 3, 4 structure being broken. Okay, okay, this was not broken. All right, you will see that this level is lesser than this level, and this is showing a rising a depletion in market falling. So this is when you have this level is higher than this level, and this level is higher than this level. Is telling you that the sellers are tired. Okay, so that's not what we are looking for. So we've identified the break of structure. So the next thing we want to do is look for other blocks. We'll do that later. Then inducement, then entry. Now after identifying this break of structure, the next thing you want to do is look at the extreme parts of the market. So we have this place to be an extreme, we have this place to be an extreme, we have this place to be an extreme, here extreme. We can also term this to be we can't term this to be an extreme because it's just starting. So we have extreme here, extreme here, extreme here. So what I mean by extreme is just where the market turns and has a very big move. So that's what we term as extreme. So from those extremes, you want to see if there are other blocks there. So for this very extreme, there is another block here, which is this. Okay, this is another block with, I mean, this very green or black candle, whatever color it is on your chart. So this is an order block. So you can see that price came into this order block, and you can see it is selling from here. You can see boom 500 selling from here. So that is, you can see if you have taken this trade from here, this is would have been a sniper entry, because at the touch of this very order block, price will start selling. So you can see that that is number one. Let's look at another one, talking about the extreme. Okay, if you look here, this is another block, but that's been mitigated. A candlestick has touched it. So but having said that, now we have identified the extreme, and we have identified some other blocks, even though we may not be able to identify all. Now the next thing we want to use is that we want to look at this extreme parts. This extreme part, if you look here also, there is also a break of structure here. okay, though it is very minute, but it's still a break of structure. So we want to look at why did price turn from this extreme part apart from the other block thing. Now this is another extreme. So whenever you have a break of structure, let me remove this. Okay, whenever you have a break of structure, the first thing that you want to put in mind is to put in mind the last high or the last low, okay, the last extreme high or the last extreme low that broke that structure. You want to take note of it. So for this is the last extreme high, okay, that broke this structure, and for this is the last extreme low that broke this structure upward. So this is, if this is the extreme, excuse me, if this is the extreme, what you want to do is there is an instrument called Fibonacci. So you want to grab a Fibonacci. I have some settings on that Fibonacci. So you want to grab a Fibonacci, put it on that extreme that broke the structure, then extend it to where price turns back. Okay, that will help you to catch up with this, the next reversal, just like this. Okay, you can see that. So when you place it like this, okay, anytime price comes into other block or extreme, anytime price comes back there, you can sell off. Okay, you can look for a sell off. That is what happened here. So with this break of structure, we can put our Fibonacci like this, then expect price to come into this extreme and or other block portion region, and then sell back off to the next other block at this extreme, and that's why you have this movement. Okay, now having said that, let's look at another one. This is also an extreme, okay, and this is where price turns back from. This extreme low broke this market structure, so we want to draw a Fibonacci from there, okay, upward, and extend it, of course. So we want price to come down into our extreme or other block portion, okay, and we can see price rising back to the next other block here. You can see price came back into this other block, this very one here. You can see price touched it, and you can see price moving down. Okay, having said that, again, you know, this is another extreme. Why did price turn here? Price turned here because this extreme here broke a structure here. Okay, so we can draw our Fibonacci again, all right, down to this place where price turned, and you can see what happened. Okay, price started returning back, and of course it is coming back down here, and because this extreme, this cell also broke a structure here, it is expected that price will also reverse from where? Reverse from the extreme portion of this. Okay, so let's look at that also. That makes the fourth signal here. You can see that, you can see what happened. So this is to tell you that price moves from this this place to the other place. So from this other block, or from this extreme portion, or from these settings parameters that is inside this Fibonacci, down to the other place. So you can see price touched this extreme, and you can see what happened there. Okay, a rejection candlestick, and of course price is coming down here, at least to this place, to this other block, next other block here. Okay, sorry, to this extreme other block here. Okay, price is coming down here. Okay, and from here price can sell off again. So this is how price moves, and this is how you can get. Let's see more examples. Okay, before we get into this, let's see more examples. Okay, this is crash 1000. Let's quickly identify the break of structure. We have break of structure here. Okay, we have another break of structure here. All right, we are looking at the major ones now. Okay, we have another break of structure here quite recently. Okay, so now quickly, because I don't want this video to be too lengthy, let's look at how price moves here. All right, so if you look into this very well, let me shrink it a little. Okay, if you look into this very well, there's another break of structure over here, over here. Okay, all right, the ear over here, over here. Okay, because this break of structure here is responsible for this movement here. Okay, is responsible for that movement there. Yeah, talking from experience, because if you draw this Fibonacci from here, all right, you will notice that price came into our extreme and also the position of our OB over there. You can see, okay, price drop into the OB and start reversing. So for us to be able to identify this properly and also easily, and also to be able to have that entry, sniper entry over here, okay, a system has been put in place. I'm going to apply that template right now. I'm applying that right now. A template has been put in place to help us move into that sniper entry. You can see it from here. So if you take your signal from here, you can see what is happening, because it has helped us to identify that. You can see the template has helped us to identify the fact that there is a break of structure. You can see break of structure, BOS, a break of structure over here. So for us to draw our Fibonacci from here, okay, from here down up, so as to get that nice entry whenever price come into our OB. So also on which you want to do, we analyze the other time. Also over here, boom, 500. If we apply that same template, you will see the indicator giving us nice entry. You can see over here. Okay, look at it. All right, we remember this analysis. Okay, saying if we draw our Fibonacci here to this end, okay, price fell from here, and we have this indicator telling us to sell, and of course we sold. So majorly, if you are afraid of taking entry, you can use this indicator to take your entry. Remember, there is always an inducement, and that inducement, this is an inducement over here. This is an inducement over here. This fake move upward. Okay, this is an inducement over here. The main entry is where you have price touching the extreme. Okay, whenever you have price, if price did not touch the extreme, do not take the signal. But once price touch this extreme, any signal that pops up is valid. Okay, you see over here too, if you draw the Fibonacci from here downward, okay, did price touch the extreme? Yes, it touched it. So after touching the extreme, because this over here are just fake outs, okay, this over here, they are inducement. Remember, part of what we want to consider is inducement. So talking of your entry, you can take your entry when this arrow pops up. Okay, whenever the arrow pops up and close, then you take your entry. You can see downward into this order block, and you can see again we have another signal on boom 500. So this is safe to take. All right, very safe to take, and you're going to buy. Remember, I told you up to this level, so it's going to boom up to that level. So this is how price move, guys. This is how price move. This is C500. Also the same rules apply. So you can see the breakout structure over here. If I apply the template now, it's going to help us to identify that there are breakout structures. You can see I told you over here there are breakout structures over here, breakout structures over here, that can help you to identify all these things. So you want to make sure you are trading profitably. This is boom 1000, and if you look at the analysis of this boom 1000, you will notice that there are not too extreme there, but you can see breakout structure here. Okay, I don't want these videos to be too lengthy. Oh my god, 15 minutes. So you can see breakout structure here where you can easily draw your Fibonacci. So the parameters for this Fibonacci has been made known in the premium video, the full course of this very template. So what you are just going to do is to go to the description of this very video, join our Telegram channel, then message the admin on how you can get this powerful system. Remember, we also do copy trading. If you want to copy our trade and be profitable as we are doing, then you are in the right place. Message the admin, join our Telegram channel, message the admin, then ask that you want to get the eagle indicator. This indicator is called the eagle indicator. Ask for the eagle indicator, then you get this template coupled with a very comprehensive video tutorial on how you can use this indicator and be profitable. We have done a tutorial on how you can use this indicator with the market sentiment. Also, we have done a video on how you can use this indicator with order block, with Fibonacci and the likes. So do yourself a very good thing to contact us right now and order for your own system, and you will be glad you did. Remember, you can also copy our trades. Just join our channel and let us know what you want. Till I come your way again, my name is FX Ninja. Thank you for watching our video.